Hello to all my friends out here. And I made some rice pudding because this morning someone left me a message about making the rice pudding with coconut milk, and I thought it was such a good idea, and I just so happened to have one can. And so I stockpiled raisins, so I had everything for this I needed, and rice. And so I put it in my little bowls over here, and you know I have some tea. And here is the recipe. So what I did is this one right here. I did everything the same except I used 2 cups coconut milk, 1 cup water because it's really thick milk. And then I added 2 tablespoons sugar, and then I don't sprinkle the mixture with sugar and cinnamon because you know I put the 2 tablespoons sugar in it. And did you see this note over here? This is a super good cookbook. So okay, so thank you for the comment, and that's the rice pudding, and God bless you all.